bed, so I hope you can hear me okay. Yeah, I live in a small unit, so yes, noise travels everywhere. I even hear my neighbours. Thin walls. Anyway, today's video I wanted to talk about when Harry is inconsolable. So he cries and just cries and cries, and it's hard to you know, get him to stop. The last one he cried for about, it was 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. And yeah, no, I wasn't too sure. So I think in the end it was just teething pain, but I'm still not 100% sure. I did record, so it was there was 2 times last week that it happened, and I recorded the second one. So it's a bit distressing to watch. So I just warn my viewers. I just wanted to show, you know, that real life, what happens in real life, and my life, what's happening, and yeah, and just trying to work things out on my own. Yeah, I ended up, I thought maybe he was overheated, and so I started taking off his clothes just to help him to feel cooler. And then in the end I gave him the Bonjela, and he likes it when I put the gel around the Bonjela thing, because he wants the Bonjela thing and puts that in his mouth, and I think that gets to his gums. I just got to watch him in case the lid comes off. So that's what I did, and I turned the TV on to put, you know, something just to distract him. I try not to use the TV too much, but you'll probably see the TV on in a lot of my videos. It's a thing that I know that I keep doing that because I've lived on my own for so long. I use the TV as a background noise, and I do watch Harrison. I do put the kids' TV channel on, and I know that kids under 2 are not meant to watch any screen time, but I feel like he uses it as a background noise as well, and it does help me for when I need to go and get ready or something, or clean. But I do keep checking on him because I don't want him to just sit there with his head up watching. So, and if that happens, I turn it off and I play with him. But usually he's playing or he's talking or singing while the TV's on in the background, and he just glances up every now and again. But I like to use it because I learn heaps of songs, and we sing together, we play together and dance together. So that's why I like it. Okay, so I will show the distressing video of my son apparently in pain after he wakes up. And yeah, please be warned, this may upset you. Yeah, so just if you don't want to be upset, do not watch this. He's okay. There is nothing wrong. There was just, I believe it was just teething pain. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. Some more videos that I'll be doing soon will be things like what I didn't know before I got pregnant, like things like changes to the body or what happens, and just other things I just didn't know before I decided to become a mum. I'll also talk about the pros and cons of becoming a single mum by choice, and pretty much doing this all on my own 24/7. Yes, and I'll probably also be putting up very soon just a bit of a rundown of what we do in an average day if we're not really going out visiting someone, you know, if we're just staying home. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you can stay tuned for those videos. Keep coming back to check, and if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd really like your support. If you could subscribe to my channel and like this video or any other videos that you've watched, that would be great. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
me to take the jumper off? It's alright. Come on. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Here we go. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Here you go. It's okay, hey Molly. Hey Molly. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Hey. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay, it's alright, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, that's I just wanted to share that to show, you know, that we're all going through things like that, and you know, I tried my best, and every time I held him, you know, he'd want to wriggle out, and you know, and in the moment you're like, what can I do? What can I do? You just want to make them happy, and yeah, it's hard. It's really hard seeing him like that. So yeah, just have to do your best. That's all you can do, is do your best, and yeah, he was happy for the rest of the day. So yeah, it happens. So thanks for watching. Sorry if this made you cry or anything. It made me cry when I was watching over it again. And yeah, so we'll put up some more positive stuff soon. Okay, bye everyone.